Hello, I'm Shreya on this 15C001. Today I'll be explaining the 8th experiment of Web Technology Lab, that is PHP and database connectivity. So first of all, I have my index page in which I have a login page which takes register number and name as input. And this is the link which I have given for where my program will run. I have used exam as a dummy host, and here my session starts, and when I give echo start, this is the username root by default and password. I have created a database named ConnectDB, and in that I have to get username, password, and this is database. And if the connection is done, then fine. If it is not done, then it shows unable to connect. Then this part of the program, I have to get the register name and login name and registration number, and then I have to put in the table student. My table name is student, and then I have to get now. So if it is if the login is successful, it shows login successful, otherwise invalid. Now in my second page, what I have done is I have the list of people who have already registered. In this page, it will show the list of people who have already registered. So yeah, this is the query. Select start from student, and it will display the number of students and the name of the students who are already registered. Now in page 2, yeah, in this is my login page for the people who haven't logged in. So in this page, it's a welcome page, and here again I have started the session, and then I've used to get the input as data name and registration number and name. And then if the number of rows is greater than 1, then it will again go to the same page, and it will say that the username already exists, otherwise it will get the value. Now the last page, here is the person information. Enter your new registration number for changing the registration number. So it's a session start I have given, and then the registration number. I'm given a session here where the student can give their number and change their registration number and reset it. So now we'll run and see the output. Before that, I would like to show that I have already created my database and the table in exam, the localhost I have created. Yeah, so here is my database, ConnectDB, and student is my table. So that is what I have created already. Now see the output. Close. Yeah, so this is the welcome page. If I give some registration number, example 005, I give some name and submit. So it is submitted. Sign up successful. Now I want to see the list of registered people, so I click here. So these are the people who have registered. Now if I want to log in separately from the first, I have already registered, so I have already registered, and now I want to log in again. So my login was successful, and if I want to reset my registration number, I have to click here, give the new registration number, if 5, I'll give it as 4, and here the same name which I gave. Should registration number is reset. Now when we go to the localhost and see my table, when I refresh it, we can see that it's taking a little time. So whatever the values we have inserted in this page, whatever values we have given here will be shown in this table. Yeah, so I added Cornelia as 5, but then I changed her number to 4. So that's how. So the change is made here also. So that's all about this experiment. Thank you.